I am a rover. In rambling I take great delight. I cast my mind on a handsome girl, and oftentimes she does me slight. Except when my true love is in my sight. We went into a public house, and there we did find whiskey and strong porter and dreadful stuff besides. 'Twas then she asked me up to bed, to which I did agree. But truth to tell, I fell asleep before she learned her fee. Her lips were red as roses, her eyes a deep sky blue, her hair as yellow as the gold she stole from me in you. When I awoke next morning, no trousers could I find, but scattered all around the room were women's clothes so fine. New jacket, shoes, and gold was gone, and all was left behind was a woman's dress, a yellow wig, and a shaving kit not mine. Her eyes a deep sky blue, her hair as yellow as the gold she stole from me and you. I am an old timer, I've travelled around, I'm sitting in the car and I lumber me low. The hotel is the jungle that caps me above, and I've flown out to Blondie and Mary.